Hey, this is Melissa, and I'm here to show you a very special monitor stand. Here it is. And look what's inside. This is actually the Dell Optiplex 7070 Ultra, and this is a mini PC that's small enough to fit inside this monitor stand. Now, we all love mini PCs. We've seen all-in-ones and things like that in corporate offices. This is really taking it to another level. All I have to do is slide this, and finally we get to the PC. Look at the size of this motherboard. This is teeny. I've seen gaming laptop AC adapters bigger than this. What we have here, this is the system fan starting over on the left. Then we have the RAM slots, as you can see here, DDR4 RAM. The CPU is actually on the other side of the motherboard and it's soldered in, so unfortunately I can't show you that. But this here is the Wi-Fi networking module, and this is the SSD that comes with it. You can actually also put in a hard drive if you want to. There is a 2.5-inch drive bay on the back here. You also see here you've got USB-C as well as USB-A, and there's more connectivity over here. Because of the USB-C, you can connect this computer to up to 3 displays to use with it, and because it's USB-C, you're reducing all these cable connections between it. You can run a power cable to the display to run this computer, but the main thing is that Optiplex is a corporate PC. Think about a corporate environment, especially the open ones that exist today. You don't want a lot of clutter. If you've got a big bulky desktop or even a big bulky all-in-one that just starts to stick out in these open plans, by having these PCs be so small and be able to fit behind the monitor, you're definitely cutting down on the visual clutter. But the other thing you're doing is you're making this modular. So say that you've got a bunch of people, a lot of them are just doing basic computing tasks, so they don't necessarily need a more powerful PC, but you've got some other people who might need a little more oomph. All you have to do is switch out this module. You can still use the same monitor display and all that. Unlike the traditional all-in-one where you're kind of stuck with the display and the system you have, you can just switch out what you want. And I don't think you have to be in a corporation to be excited about that. So we don't know the price on these yet. They're going to come out in September, but I'm just really excited that we're seeing an all-in-one that's modular, that's super small and slender, and that, you know, I can't even tell it's there, and yet I can do most of the computing I'd ever want to do on this system.